In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Shein cart fast and easy, whether you're looking to finalize your outfit choices or simply ensure everything is just as you intended before completing your purchase. We'll walk through this together in just a few simple steps. So, let's dive right in. First, open up your Shein app or head over to the Shein website. You'll want to log into your account if you aren't already. This step sets the stage for us to access the cart that holds all your selected items. It's great for making sure you're seeing the most accurate status of your orders and offers a seamless experience as you plan your shopping. Once you're logged in, cast your eyes towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find a cart icon. Give that cart icon a click or a tap. This will swiftly take you to a dedicated space showing everything you've placed in your cart. It's like your virtual shopping basket holding all those must-have items and maybe a few impulse buys. Now that you're viewing your cart, it's time for some review work. Look over each piece you've added. For each item, ensure the size and color are just right. After all, getting that perfect fit or the exact shade you've been dreaming of is crucial. Double check the desired quantity for each product. You wouldn't want to accidentally order in bulk unless that's the goal. Consider any discounts or coupons that may apply for added savings. If you need to make adjustments, such as changing the quantity or perhaps choosing a different option, look for the Edit button. It's your trusty tool for making sure those details are spot on before you check out. Not every item may be a keeper after all. If something no longer sparks joy or you've simply changed your mind, don't hesitate to declutter your cart. Find the delete or remove option to say goodbye to the unnecessary pieces. It's a simple action that aids in keeping your cart clean and focused on items you truly want or need. And that's it. With these easy steps, you've successfully reviewed and managed your Shein cart. Whether you're ready to move on to checkout, or you're just making sure everything is perfect before the day ends, you're now equipped to handle your Shein cart like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.